and obtained 559981 as his answer. If in the answer both 9s are wrong and other digits are correct, then the correct answer should be, sir, what we want, he multiplied this 987 by certain number and got this answer. Now this answer 99 is wrong. So we want the options. So the options given are 36, 51, 56 and 65. These middle numbers. Okay, remaining numbers are same. Okay, so what we want? We want 55, 99, 81. This 99 to be changed, right? And this is divided by 987. Okay, so what is 987 now? 3 into 329. That is 3 into 7 into 47. Okay, so all are prime numbers. So what happens is, now 55 we'll say this xx, we don't know. 55xx 81. Now that is divisible by 987, right? That's what is given. He got some answer, no remainder it's given. No remainder means what? It's totally divisible by this 987. Now which number is divisible by 987? To check this, if some number is divisible by 987, then it should be divisible by 3, 7 and 47 all, right? So let's try each option A, B, C, D. Okay, now A, 55, 36, 81. Instead of xx we'll write this 36 now. So is it divisible by 3? Try it, add the numbers and try. Yes. By 7? No. For 7 you will have to do it yourself. Divide all the things or use the test for 7. So it is not divisible by 7. That's why don't check for 47 now. Okay. Next, 55, 51, 81. This second option. Now here, no, divisible by 3? No. Add the numbers and check? No. So don't check for 7 and 47. It's gone. Third, 55, 56, 81. Divisible by 3? Yes. Divisible by 7? Yes. And then divisible by 47? That also yes. You try it yourself dividing. See here we have a test of 7 also, but for 47 no test, you will have to try it personally. Okay, you get the answer is 11823 into 47. So C is the option. C means 56 should be replaced, should be replacing 99. So that is the answer. Next is Sam, Advik and Trishu go for a morning walk. They step off together and the steps measure 35, 32 and 40 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete steps? It means basically you have to find the LCM of 35, 32 and 40.